In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a cable bicep curl with a drop set. Now, this is a high volume exercise that activates the bicep muscle. Now, the first thing you need is a cable tower like this and also a straight bar as the handle. Now, when performing the drop set, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put the weight at the heaviest that you can do, all right? So for example, I'm gonna do 70 pounds, all right? So I have the pin at 70 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead, grab the handle, all right? Now, when it comes to the repetitions, for example, I'm gonna do 15 reps, all right? Once I'm done with those 15 reps, when I'm performing that bicep curl, then I'm gonna take the pin out, bring it up to 60 pounds, and without any breaks or rests, I'm gonna go ahead and perform another 15 reps. After that is when I'm done with the exercise. This is why it's called a drop set. So I'm gonna go ahead and perform the exercise in real time. I'm gonna go ahead and grab onto this handle. I want to step close to the machine because I want to have a good line of pull. I do not want to step back and then perform close to it, all right? So because when you have a good line of pull, you're going to actually target and give more resistance to the muscle that's targeted, which is for this one, the biceps, all right? So first thing I'm going to do is roll the shoulders back, push the chest up, push the chest up, push the butt out, slight bend in the knees, okay? So I have a strong athletic position, and this is going to prevent me from jerking when I'm lifting the weights, all right? Because I don't want you to go like that or like this. I see a lot of crazy stuff, all right? So to have a real strong position and really give a lot of resistance into the bicep, like I said, real strong athletic position, and then go ahead and perform the exercise, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and perform the exercise right now. So as you see, just like this, keeping the elbows tight, nice strong athletic position, all right? Now, once I'm done with those 15 reps, let's say I just finished 15, all right? Just finished those 15 reps. What I'm gonna do now, like I said before, take the pin out from 70 pounds because that's where I started, bring it up to 60 pounds, all right? Get into that nice athletic position, all right? Roll the shoulders back, chest up, push the butt out, all right? And then perform another 15 reps, making this the drop set, all right? So let's say I just finished performing the 15 reps, and that is the end of the exercise. This is how you do a cable bicep curl with a drop set.